We're at Palau Padau, I think it's called. It's the place where you can climb a crap load of stairs and you get a beautiful view. We, along with probably thousands of other people, have had the same idea to come at sunset. You can tell I'm already sweating. It is warm, but we've done probably 50 out of 800 stairs. So we've got to get a shuffle on because, as you can see, the sun is setting. So we're a bit late. Anyway, see you at the top. Oh, on the top of the world with a few other people. But we're here. Oh, 800 steps later. My face is the colour of the sun, but we made it. And Lenny's on her way, she's still coming. But oh, what an achievement, and this is so beautiful. We're so lucky to be here. Oh, this is what we're looking at. This is what life's about. There's our boat down there.
I made it.
She made it, whoop whoop.
Of this huge mountain.
800 steps later. Cheers.
Cheers.
Did well, love.
Cheers. Oh, let's all.
If you look around over your shoulder, we'll be sailing all the way around there tomorrow, around between all these rocks, and down, right down there to a place called Pink Beach, and then we're going to Turtle Point, and then Manta Ray Point or something like that, and then to some lagoon.
So Iman, your t-shirt has been to the very top of the mountain. Woohoo!
And down we go, 800 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was fun. Nearly missed the sunset, but we got there. Yay! So beautiful. We're so blessed to have this life. Sailing ocean life.
Yeah.
Komodo Dragon?
Oh no, deer! Wow!
Oh baby!
It's a bit dark, but there are boats everywhere. Just come off the mountain.
Look at this current. And you know what? It's in our favour. So we're doing like 7 knots. This is madness. We're at my favourite place, Pink Beach. I love anything pink and it's so beautiful. The water is aqua clear and the sand is definitely pink. This time last year I found myself facing the most daunting challenge of my life. A diagnosis of liver cancer turned my world upside down, forcing me to confront my mortality and rethink the way I lived each day. The diagnosis sent shockwaves through my world, leaving me grappling with the fragility of life and the uncertainty of tomorrow. In the face of fear, Mitcho and I made a choice to embrace life with everything we had, to feel the fear but do it anyway, and to explore the world with open hearts and minds. Setting sail into unknown territories wasn't always easy. Leaving behind the familiar comforts of home and loved ones had been daunting, and venturing into the unknown was unsettling at times. But it was also liberating, a chance to rely on our own resilience and problem-solving skills to navigate the challenges that lay ahead.
As I watched this beautiful manta ray gracefully glide past, I knew this is what life is about. Jumping in the deep end and embracing the unknown, experiencing moments of pure wonder and connection. In that instant, enveloped by the ocean's splendour and the elegance of that magnificent creature, a profound inner peace washed over me. It affirmed our choice to embark on this sailing adventure, to delve into the marvels of the world and its myriad wonders. As I continue this journey, I'm filled with a deep sense of gratitude for the second chance of life, for the opportunity to experience moments like these, and for the beauty of the world that surrounds us. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but that's the point, isn't it? Shouldn't we live every day as if there is no tomorrow? Having a bit of a wash this morning. Not myself, obviously.
That was yesterday.
Yeah, that was beautiful yesterday.
Nice,
Having a
warm shower.
Yeah, but this is
amazing.
our boat. Look at it. Disgusting. But I bought this handy new tool at Labuan Bajo. Oh no, where was it? Anyway, it doesn't matter. And it does the trick. It just gets it off without affecting the anti-foul. So it's a bit of a job though, and it's definitely easier when the tides are low. Since we've been in, they've gone from my waist to just under my bosom.
Oh yes, that's true.
So they're getting
The
deeper.
tide has come in.
We need to hurry because once the tide gets in, then you need to get out your flippers
And snorkel.
Yeah, otherwise it gets a bit harder to keep hold of what you're doing. But nearly done, and
here we are.
yeah, and I'll go over the other side.
We did a drift dive yesterday here for about a couple of 100 metres. We just sailed with the tide, which was going in the opposite direction. Saw lots of coral, which you'll get to see on screen.
And we're going again today, but to a nicer spot.
Yeah,
Over there.
over there where that little baby island is.
That'll be really nice. That'll be a lot nicer. Manta rays and turtles.
Boat work is never done, hey Liddy? Nope, it never ever is, but it's all fun, despite the fact that it's hard work. I'm just cleaning off the scum off the tender, just to keep it tidy and help it to run better in the water, I guess.
So without having something to pull it back. So, not that it pulls it back, but it looks a bit manky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the before, yeah, and the after. Looking good.
Underneath here. Good little sponge.
Oh yeah, amazing sponge. Oh, it's not so bad doing boat work in a place as beautiful as this. And Mitch is going to do the front deck. I'm going to go and try and do the other side of the tender. And of course there are those beautiful starfish everywhere you walk. You've got to be very careful. Oh, this side looks cleaner. This side's almost clean. We're heading to Bima today, taking advantage of the welcome ceremony and the festivities they've got planned for us there. Should be fun. This is the beautiful sail we've got. No wind though. As we reluctantly bid farewell to the breathtaking Komodo Archipelago, our salty journey continues onwards to the vibrant shores of Sumbawa. Join us as we set sail alongside our fellow adventurers, eagerly anticipating our arrival into Bima. But before we reach our destination, we couldn't resist a sneaky stopover at the enchanting Oifanda Beach. Here, amidst the warm embrace of the Indonesian family we've come to cherish, our hearts were filled with the essence of true hospitality and friendship. With our sights set on Bima, we're already envisioning the vibrant start awaiting us. From bustling fresh food markets to lively festivals and captivating entertainment, all set against the backdrop of warm, welcoming faces. As we navigate through these wondrous waters, each moment becomes a cherished memory etched into our salty souls. So until next time, fellow sailors, may the winds guide you and the waves carry you on your unforgettable adventures. Fair winds and following seas, our friends.